Hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx equal 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. Both are same. It is equal to minus pi by 2 log 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x dx, which is equal to 0. 0. Understood? Sec x, cosec x, if comes, convert into this form. Okay? And 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx, which is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 8 log 2. Now, this is which is important for 2 marks. Let this is I. Now, which property are you using here? 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is I equals 0 to a. Now, tell me x plus a minus sum of the limits minus x by x replaced by a minus x plus root of a x replaced by a minus x dx. Integration of 0 to a root of a minus x dx by root of a minus x plus root x. This is the second equation. Denominator same. Okay. Equation 1 plus 2 add I plus I 2i equal integration of 0 to a. Denominator is root of a minus x plus root of x. This is root x plus root of a minus x. Numerator and denominator is same. Get cancelled. So integration of 1 dx is x. Limits 0 to a, which is equal to a minus 0. 2i equal a minus 0. I is equal to a by 2. So integration of 0 to a root x dx by root of x plus root of a minus x. Answer is a by 2. Yes. Now the shortcut. This is we can take by using this. For example, 0 to 3 root x dx by root x plus root of 3 minus x dx. Answer is 3 by 2. If it is 5 root x plus root of 5 minus x, which is equal to 5 by 2. If it is 1 root x plus root of 1 minus x, 3 by 2. Understood? Got a point? Are you following? If it is, for example, here like this, integration of a to b, there are two limits. Here only one of the limit is 0 here. A to b root x dx by root of x plus root of a plus b minus x. Sum of the limits minus x. So you get here, we'll get what we'll get here. X means integration of 1 is x. So you will get here b minus a. So b minus a by 2. Okay. Integration of, for example, 1 to 3 root x dx by root x plus root of 4 minus x. What is the answer? 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 is 1. So this is the standard form. This is and this is. Integration of a to b root x dx by root of x plus root of a plus b minus x equal to b minus a by 2. Next. Next, the question number is 18. Integration of 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. Mod function if there means we should eliminate, we should open the mod. Open the mod. How we can open the mod? By using mod x concept. Tell me. At 1 it is changing. So we should split the interval 0 to 1 mod of x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 3, 1 to 4 mod of x minus 1 dx. In this interval, take any number 0 to 1 between 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Substitute here. 0.7 minus 1 minus means negative or positive? Negative. This inside is negative. Here positive. If it is negative, what is the mod x is? Minus of inside x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 4 it's positive x minus 1 dx minus x integration x square by 2 minus x 0 to 1 x integration x square by 2 minus x 1 to 4. Apply upper limit here 1 by 2 minus 1 lower limit is 0 plus 4 by 2 means 2 minus 4 minus lower limit 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. Understood? Here be careful. Okay. 4 square sorry 16 by 2 means 8. 8 minus 4 right? Is correct? 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 so 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Understood? There is a mod integration of mod x we don't know. We know the integration of x raised to n. Okay, so we should open the mod. This is the way to open the mod. 0 to 1, 1 to 4. In this interval it is negative. In this interval which is positive. If it is negative, the mod x equal to minus x minus 1. See, there is no mod here. We can find integration. Here plus x, no mod here. We have opened the mod. Then integration we can find here. Understood? Got a point? So blindly don't write the mod x equal to, don't create like this x. It is depend on interval. If it is positive, the mod x is x. If it is negative, the mod x is minus x. Next, question number 19. Show that integration of 0 to a f of x into g of x dx equal to 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx. If f and g are defined as f of x equal to f of a minus x, g of x and g of x plus g of a minus x equal to 4. This is we have to prove by giving this condition. What they have given here, f of x is equal to f of a minus x, g of x is plus g of a minus x equal to 4. Right? Now integration of 0 to a f of x into g of x dx equal to, we have to prove this. Here to prove means there is only one single function there, but here there are two functions f of x and g of x, product of two functions. So g we have to remove. So how to remove? By using this condition. Use the property first. 0 to a property. 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. X replaced by a minus x. F of a minus x, g of a minus x dx. Integration of 0 to a f of a minus x equal to f of x. G of a minus x equal to 4 minus g of x into dx. Let this is I. This is I. Okay. So I equal to, this is I. I equal to integration of 0 to a 4 into f of x dx minus integration of 0 to a f of x into g of x dx. This is and this is same. So I equal 4 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx minus I. Transpose that side, I plus I, 2I equal 4 into 0 to a f of x dx. This get cancelled. I equal to 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx. I integration of 0 to a f of x into g of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Next one, question number 20. The value of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 into dx. See, tell me which property it contains? Yes, minus a to a f of x dx equal to, tell me the property, 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even. Even means f of minus x equal to f of x. 0 if f of x is odd. Check it. This x cube is odd or even? Odd. Because f of minus x equal to minus x cube, therefore which is odd. So it is odd. What about x cos x? F of x is equal to x cos x. Put x is equal to minus x. Minus x, cos minus x is cos x. Therefore minus f of x. Then it is odd. What about tan power 5x? Odd. What about 1? Even. Constant is even. F of x is equal to 1. Then f of minus x is 1 only. So which is equal to f of x. So constant function is even. So these all are odd. So this became a 0, 0, 0. This much it will be there. Integration minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 1 dx. Because these all are 0. Odd function. If it is odd function, the value became a 0. And this is even. If it is even, we can write 2 into integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. 2 into 1 integration is x 0 to pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 minus 0 which is equal to pi. Next, 21. The value of integral 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x dx. 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x. Let this is I. Then use property 0 to pi by 2. Tell me log of 4 plus 3 x replaced by 90 minus x by 4 plus 3 cos of 90 minus x whole dx. I equal 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x dx. This is second equation. This is the first equation. 1 plus 2. I plus I, 2i, 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x plus log of 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x whole dx. Log m plus log n equal log of m into n. Log of 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x into 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x whole dx. This get cancelled. Means log 1. Log 1 is 0. So 2i equal to 0. Therefore I is equal to 0. The answer is this exercise. All we have discussed. Okay. Example 30. Integration of example 30. Integration of -1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx. X cube minus x dx. Mod is there. We should open the mod. So let's find critical point. How can we find critical point? See, mod x cube minus x. This can write like this: x into x square minus 1. Yes. So mod x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Tell me critical points are. X is when it became a 0. X is 0. Next 1. Next minus 1. These three are critical points. Yes. But minus 1 is a lower limit, so we should cancel this. Are you following? These are critical points, but these should be in this interval. But minus 1 is lower limit. It's not in between this. So this is we cancel it. So there are only two. So we have split from -1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So integration of -1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx equal to, tell me, -1 to first 0. Are you following? Plus next 0 to 1. Next 1 to last up to 2. What is 1 to 2. Mod of x cube minus x dx, x cube minus x dx plus mod of x cube minus x dx. Let's verify. -1 to 0, take one number. -0.1. Correct? -0.1 whole cube. -1.1 whole cube. -0.001. Yes, right? -0.1 minus plus 0.1 plus 0.1. This is big or this is big? 0.1. So we'll get positive. This is positive. Next, come to this 0 to 1. Take one value 0.1. 0.1 whole cube is 0.001 minus 0.1, which is big? 0.1. So we get negative. Next 1 to 2, 1.1. Okay, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 by 2. Right? So we will get positive or negative? Positive. This is bigger than this. Okay, so positive. Okay, so by using positive and negative, we can open the mod. Tell me, -1 to 0, this is positive, so x cube minus x dx, plus 0 to 1 is a negative, so minus x cube minus x dx. This is positive, 1 to 2, x cube minus x dx. Finish. After opening mod, then find the regular method, direct, find integration and upper limit minus lower limit. So x cube integration, x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. Limits -1 to 0 minus x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. Limits 0 to 1 plus x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. Limits 1 to 2. This is due to yourself. Apply upper limit minus lower limit from each bracket. This is 0. So this exercise is over. So I will do some extra problems. Okay. So from this exercise only, they will ask 6 marks question. Property cum problems. Are you following? So the most important 4 properties: integration of 0 to a, integration of a to b, integration of minus a to a plus a, and integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx, and the related problems. For example, integration of 0 to a, this property you prove it, practice, make it practice, and what are the related problems? Those you write together and practice. Finish. 6 marks will be it. Next, 0 to 2a, there are only 2 problems I think. Third problem and this property. Okay, practice. Write together. Like that you make the notes and practice. 6 marks will be it. From this topic 6 marks guarantee. Understood? One more extra. Integration minus 1 to 1 x power 70 cos power 4x dx equal to zero. Why? Because which is r. F of x is equal to x power 70 cos power 4x. Put x is equal to minus x power 70 cos power 4x, which is equal to minus f of x, which is odd function. The value became a 0. Next, it was asked in G, question number 4 in miscellaneous, integration 1 by x square into x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4 dx. This is indefinite. Okay, it was asked in G. 2 times they are asked this type of product. If it is this form, what we have discussed, indefinite concept, that method we have to use. So the main important here student will get stuck up. How to get? Well, there is no derivative here. X power 4 plus 1. If it is this form, the bracket, in the bracket, what is the highest power? X power 4. That we should take common. You will get the idea. That we should take common. Okay. So x square into what we will take common here? X power 4. Take common. 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Then integration of dx by x square, x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 is x cube into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. X square into x cube is x power 5. Integration of dx by x power 5 to 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. This derivative is there here. So let 1 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to t. One plus 1 by x power 4 equal to t. Differentiation is 0. X power minus 4 differentiation. Minus 4 x power minus 5. Dx equal to dt. So dx by x power 5 equal to dt by minus 4. Here dx by x power 5. Substitute here dx by x power 5. X power minus 5 means x power 5. 1 by x power 5 equal to dt by minus 4, which is equal to t. T power 3 by 4. Finish. Minus 1 by 4. Take out t power minus 3 by 4 dt. X raised to n form. X raised to n integration is t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So minus 1 by 4. Okay. T power minus 3 plus 4. 1 by 4 by 1 by 4. This get cancelled. So answer is minus t power 1 by 4. Where t is this is 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. This is the answer. Okay. will ask many times. 2 times it will ask and change. They will change the powers 2 by 3, 3 by 4 like that. Whatever it may be in the bracket, what is the highest power that we should take on. This derivative will be there like this. Next, important question. Integration. These all are extra which is useful for competitive, not for theory. E power 5 log x, e power 4 log x by e power 3 log x minus e power 2 log x dx. Okay. We know property e power log x base e equal to e power log x base e equal to x logarithm properties. We are discussing the differentiation. E power log x base e equal to x. Now e power 5 log x can I write like this? Log of x power 5. What is the base? E. If they are not mentioned, base e only. We will consider base e only. E power log of x power 4 by e power log of x cube e power log of x square base e dx. Tell me, e power log of x power base e equal to x power 5 minus x power 4 by x cube minus x square dx. We had x square take common, x cube minus x square by x cube minus x square dx. Get cancelled. X square integration x cube by 3 plus c. Plus c is indefinite. Okay? Not definite. Here also plus c is for this problem. Next, integration of dx by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Dx by e raised to x plus 1 by e raised to x. LCM here, dx by e raised to x whole square plus 1. Take up e raised to x into dx by e raised to x whole square plus 1. Which derivative is there? Let e power x equal to d. E power x differentiation, e power x dx equal to dt. So which is equal to dt by c square plus 1, which is equal to tan inverse of d plus c. So tan inverse of d e raised to x plus c. Next, integration of cos 2x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Cos 2x, we can write cos square x minus sin square x by sin x plus cos x whole square. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x whole square. This get cancelled. So cos x take common here, we will get 1 minus tan x. Denominator also cos x take common, 1 plus tan x. This get cancelled. Integration of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x equal to tan of 5 by 4 minus x dx. Integration of tan x, log of sec x, sec of pi by 4 minus x into the pi by 4 minus x differentiation is minus 1, that we should write in denominator, here we should write minus. Okay.